Boom, all right, what's going on, you guys? It's Royce Jacob. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Crypto Convo, series where we cover exciting news and price action in the land of cryptocurrencies and crypto-related stocks. You guys, Bitcoin is breaking out as we speak. Ethereum is pushing almost $1,700, all-time highs. It's crazy. ChainLink is looking very strong, and some of our favorite Bitcoin-related stocks, Bitcoin blockchain-related stocks, are looking great as well. So the sector is on fire. I'm excited to cover some of these names today with you guys. As always, we'll quickly go over each topic we're going to be discussing, and then we'll dive into each one individually. In front of us, where we will be spending the far majority of our time today, Trading View, talk price action, price targets, overall technical analysis. We'll cover the following names today in this order, going down the watch as you can see here on the right. Kicking it off with the king, Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin literally breaking out. I love when videos time out like that. Very excited to talk to you guys about where this green arrow goes because I'm sure you can assume it's good. Moving on to the king of the altcoins, Ethereum. Ethereum almost at 1,700 once again. It's insane, you guys. We'd love to see it. I bought Ether for 40 bucks back in 2017. You guys, I've been holding so much of that position ever since, and it's just so great to see this play doing so well. Moving on to ChainLink. My number one altcoin pick, personally, just my opinion, you guys, my number one altcoin pick of both 2020 and 2021. I love this play and I see big things for this as well. And then we will move on to some of our favorite Bitcoin related stocks, crypto related stocks, kicking it off with our favorite Bitcoin miners. Riot Blockchain, Marathon Patent Group, looking very strong as well. You guys know I love those stocks. Those are some of my favorite stocks in the entire market, in all honesty. And then my favorite blockchain technology related play, Jinlei or XNET. I see very, very big things for that as well because it's still has a lot of potential, hasn't popped yet like so many of the other names in the sector. So we will cover that. Again, that is going to be the bulk of this video. There's so much exciting price action going on right now, so I do want to focus on that. But after the video, I do want to introduce you guys to the brand new sponsor, to the Waves fam, to this channel. And it is, drum roll please, you guys can see the tab right there, but I still want to make it exciting. It is crypto.com, buy, sell, and most importantly, pay with crypto, you guys. I am so blessed. First BlockFi, now crypto.com. So blessed and so fortunate. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. I get to partner with such like game-changing companies, truly generational companies, and that's because of you guys. So Waves fam, this is a we thing, not a me thing. And honestly, the most excited part about this is to talk to you guys about the cards, because I happen to have one right here from our friends and family over at crypto.com. I'll show you guys this guy right now. Ooh. This thing is heavy, you guys, but we'll talk more about it later. Get a $25 bonus when you sign up through the link below. But again, we'll cover that later. I'm excited to bust this thing out for you guys. Can barely hold my excitement in. Bust this thing out for you guys at the end. Greatly appreciate it if you stick around and watch it, but if not, no worries. Before we do get into the charts, I do have to ask you, as always though, to please give the video a like if you do go on to gain value from it today, or if you're invested or trading any of the assets, stocks we're talking about. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, want more content like this, not only cryptos, but all revolutionary sectors, assets, stock, etc. You guys know the deal. Greatly appreciate it if you subscribe. And last but not least, check out my complete portfolio daily newsletter. First link down in the description. If you want a complete breakdown of literally my entire portfolio, call options, put options, stock positions, of course, cryptocurrency positions. I do update that every single trading day with every trade I made, new positions, closed positions, and with every update, I also send out an email newsletter rationalizing why I traded and just my thoughts on the overall market. A lot of analyses in there, a lot of charts, a lot of good stuff. 15 bucks a month. Check it out. First link down in the description if you're interested. Put a lot of time, put my heart and soul into that, so I appreciate it. If not though, no worries at all. I appreciate you for watching the video. Okay, so let's jump in to Bitcoin. Again, I love when it happens like this. Bitcoin just sitting at exactly $38,174.54 as we speak, and it did just break a very, very significant trend line, you guys. Okay, so since Bitcoin reached its all-time high at almost $42,000 on the 8th of January, we have been in a medium-term downtrend, okay? So printing what was a massive bull flag. You guys, you know we love bull flags on this channel, which is a parabolic rise followed by a descending triangle. Bitcoin has also been printing a wedge with this cyan long-term trend line as well. And if you guys remember from the last Crypto Convo, shout out to the newsletter group, we just covered this yesterday, I believe. I did expect this wedge to be resolved very, very soon, and now it has, because Bitcoin has broken out from its touch point once again at 42K. You get this the next touch point just a few days ago, January 29th, and now Bitcoin has broken out of this trend. It is officially in an uptrend in the short term, okay? So my price target for Bitcoin, again, as you guys know, is very bullish, but it makes a lot of sense to me using this the line of resistance on the short-term uptrend from beginning December 17th, the initial high from this short to medium-term rally. You guys know what I'm saying? Short-term rally beginning December 17th, using again the all-time high at about $42,000 just about a month ago. That creates this short-term trend line, and say we hit it February 4th, you guys. Always keep in mind, you guys, these price targets, these lines are just general, like these are just kind of what I see, what I imagine playing out on the charts. These are just completely random to me, but they have been pretty darn close, surprisingly close in all honesty, to accuracy. And I'm not saying we're gonna hit $80,000 on February 24th, but say we do test this trend line on February 24th, it'll be 80K. Say we test it on February 10th, very soon, we really see a breakout that would take us to like 69K. Keep in mind, you guys, this is a very, very steep trend line, so it's very dependent on when it strikes this trend line. As always, you guys, go download TradingView. Go get on TradingView, draw these trend lines for yourself. It's very easy. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? So please always do your own research, do your own TA. I want to teach you guys, all right? So, or I want you guys, I hope I'm doing my best to teach you guys, but I want you guys to act on this as well. So, Ether, kicking it on, king of the alts. Once again, Ether is looking great. Again, wow. I think I didn't even update this chart today, but Ether is looking great as well. You guys, Ether, oh wait, no, sorry, that's why I was like, I fully did update this. I put this in the morning newsletter. I was like, what's this arrow from? But anyway, Ether looking amazing, you guys. Like we've been expecting, Ether has been printing a pretty beautiful ascending channel. Nice, steep, nice beam-like, again, that nice megaphone-like ascending channel. We love to see it. And it was once we were down here, I was very confident in the fact that we'd ultimately come up to test the top side of this ascending channel. I think this could happen pretty quickly, you guys, like over the coming days. Say we hit it in the middle of the month, February 13th, 14th, almost Valentine's Day. We'd love to see it. So say just again, February 13th, February 14th, that would take us to about $2,300 Ether. And again, this is a very steep trend line as well, you guys. So it's very dependent on when Ether strikes this. But again, I'm very confident. Maybe we pull it back down a little bit, come down to contest the previous high around here, just pull back a little bit prior to testing the top side of this, because we've been ripping so hard over the past couple days. But ultimately, over the coming week or two, I'm very confident when I say that. Keep in mind, you guys, this is all just my opinion. It could tank tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm very confident with all the data I've accumulated over the years that it's very likely over the coming week or two max, we will test this top trend line. And again, it's dependent on when it does, but that would take us to at least a $2,000 plus Ethereum, which is so crazy to think, you guys. Again, I bought Ether at like $40, like $35-$40 back in early 2017, and it's just insane to see that position grow over the years. And again, that's why I love some of these smaller plays, some of these low-key plays, these revolutionary industries, because that's what gives you that 100x potential. Okay, so Ethereum, obviously exciting. ChainLink, once again, my favorite altcoin of 2021 and 2020. ChainLink is looking very good right now. If you see a chart like this, you guys, this is a beautiful chart. Higher highs, higher lows. It's very likely to me that ChainLink, because there's so much momentum behind altcoins right now, that ChainLink does ultimately come up to test the line of resistance on its medium-term uptrend, beginning just at the beginning of the year. Short to medium term, I never know exactly what to say there, but we'll call it the medium-term uptrend. You guys, a lot of points of contact here. It would make perfect sense to me for ChainLink if it sees a rally to test this once again. That would take us to let's extend these all out to the middle of the month, because these are kind of short time frames. So we'll go just to February 15th. If ChainLink does happen to test this trend line on February 15th, that would take us to $40. Nice even $40, you guys. And we'd love to see that. Okay, so of course, well positioned ChainLink. Always know, you guys, my money is where my mouth is when I say all of these things. And I personally picked up more Ether and ChainLink today. Shout out to the portfolio group. Okay, so yeah, $40 ChainLink price target. I think that's very likely. I think it's likely we see that once again over the next couple of weeks. Moving on to the stocks, RIOT Blockchain, Marathon Pattern Group, and ChainLink. So RIOT Blockchain looking amazing right now. Again, you guys, similar, it's like higher highs, higher lows. It has broken the potential for a head and shoulder pattern. You guys can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder here. It broke above that. Is no longer I shouldn't say it's no longer capable of printing a head and shoulders. I should say this is just a classic higher high and higher low. Over here, you might be worried about head and shoulders, but we saw a nice move up. We're ripping up right now. We're above many trend lines. We're in this channel right here, this central channel, and I think it's very likely that considering, of course, you guys, considering I think Bitcoin is going to rip. If I'm expecting an $80,000 Bitcoin, I think RIOT. If we see an $80,000 BTC, I wouldn't be surprised if RIOT at that point gets pretty close to triple digits, because keep in mind, you guys, the market cap has so much to do with this. RIOT It's come such a long way since we started talking about it at a sub $100 million market cap. Is now at a $1.5 billion market cap. But compared to Bitcoin, which is at a trillion, over $1 trillion market cap, this is very small. So it takes a lot less capital inflow to this stock to raise the individual share price. So very bullish on Riot. Wouldn't be surprised if we do see Bitcoin double, that we see Riot more than double. So double is my initial price target to test the top line of resistance on this trend line beginning November 17th. So solid medium term uptrend, just using this initial high from this rally, using these touch points right here, very solid touch points. I feel very comfortable using this as a top line of resistance for this medium term uptrend. That would take us to about $40. Say we hit it February 10th. Of course, you guys, because this is steep as well, say we hit it February 5th. We'll just go to February 16th. That would take us to $41. Okay, so $40-ish. That's close enough for me. I'm happy around $40, and that is my short-term price target for Riot. So super exciting times. If it breaks above this, you guys, we could be going straight to the moon. Not the moon, Mars, you guys know. Waves fam only goes to Mars. The moon is for the rest of them. Okay, so Mara. Very similar, again, you guys, I always say two peas in a pod. These two always manage to play catch up. Mara is following a very similar and exciting trajectory, using this top line of resistance right here. Say we hit it on the 15th, that would take us to 16th. Okay, so that's what I was wondering. 16th is going to be a Monday, because that's, you can see here, it goes from the 12th to the 16th. So this is a weekend. It'd take us to exactly the same place as Riot, using this medium term uptrend beginning November 17th. Okay, so two peas in a pod, you guys. Even if these do diverge a little bit day by day, they do always end up playing catch up. I've been trading these for a long time, and that's just how they happen to play out. So very bullish on both $41 price targets over the coming week or two. All right, close it out with Junlei XNET. XNET is the most, this chart is like the most asking to break out that I've ever seen. This is like one of my favorite plays. If Junlei breaks out, if Junlei does not break out, you guys, I will truly be surprised, and you guys can flame me in the comments if I'm wrong with this one, because this is the classic two-wave pattern right here. Again, you see that parabolic rally. We saw the parabolic rally on the 7th of January about a month ago. You see the bubble pop, crashes, capitulates, goes sideways. You see strength build. It's now in a nice short-term ascending channel over the past couple weeks, and it's just looking so strong. Like, everything is in favor for this from a fundamental perspective. There's so many eyes on blockchain technology. Ether, altcoins are popping off. Everyone's like, what is blockchain? What is blockchain? Junlei is an amazing blockchain technology-based company out of China. I love this play with a market cap of, what's their market cap? Their market cap is not this. It's over $1 billion for sure. God damn it. Why is TradingView wrong sometimes with these? I'm sorry, you guys. No, we're not going to look it up now. It's not a massive company. Again, it's probably a similar size to Riot, probably $2 billion market cap, I'd say, ish. Please correct me on that if I'm wrong. Let the Waves fam know down below what the market cap actually is, if you know it. But Junlei, very optimistic from a technical perspective, and it's very, very likely to me that Junlei ultimately comes up and tests this yellow line on this medium-term uptrend beginning December 1st. You had a touch point right here at about $3.75. Second touch point when it just rallied on January 8th at, I guess that was a month ago now, at about $6. The next area of resistance using this long-term, this medium-term uptrend, I'm sorry. Line of resistance, if you take these two touch points into account, would take us to, on the 10th of February, about $7.80. And, again, you guys, I would be truly, truly surprised if XNET does not break $7 in the near future, maybe by the end of this week even. But if not this week, I'm so confident it'll happen next week. Again, you guys, I say that, but please keep in mind this could, I mean, it could tank. It could, all of this could not play out the way I think it will. And it's happened before. I've been wrong many times. Again, shout out to you guys. Many of you know that. But I'm feeling very confident with this one. And if I'm wrong, you guys can torch me in the comment section. Okay, so we will call it there, you guys. Price targets out of the way. Let's talk about crypto.com, you guys. And let's just go over this quick. So you can buy, so crypto.com, I'm sure many of you heard it. They have the infamous domain name of crypto.com. I don't know how much they paid for that, but I would like to know. Best place to buy, sell, and pay with crypto. That's their words. Again, buy, sell, you can do that. You can honestly do that almost everywhere. Crypto.com, very good user interface, which is a good way to dictate how much I like a platform. That's why I personally like Robinhood so much, is because it has a great UI, it has a great user interface. But you can pay. You can pay. They're the first company. Let's just go straight down here, you guys. They are the first company to be partnered directly with Visa. So anywhere that takes Visa, you can pay with crypto. That's insane. And again, they were lucky enough. This is a partnership. They're part of the Waves fam now, and they sent me this bad boy once again. I'm going to make the sound effect once again. I'm sorry if you guys are annoyed by that. But it has the little lion. This is a beautiful casing. That one was not as clean, but that's all right. Okay, so let's take this thing out. I put it in there to simulate the opening experience for you guys. It actually came in this guy right here. So this guy, you pull the back off like that. It's like the ceiling is so nice. And you guys, I'm a geek over packaging and just care for product. And it's like a beautiful matte navy blue material. Like this is so sick, honestly. Like just this feature right here. Hexagon is my shape. I love this shape. Just you guys, sorry I'm geeking out. But you guys, this thing right here. What hit it on the. See if you guys can hear that hitting the rolly. It's metal. This thing is heavy, you guys. I have a few metal cards, and this one definitely. This is definitely a heavy boy. This is a thick card, and again, you guys, this is the navy blue card right here. This thing is so sick, and I'm just so excited to be partnered with them. Like I said, I did simulate the opening experience for you guys, but I have been using this bad boy over the past couple weeks now. I've been waiting for the perfect time to unveil it for you guys. I'm considering making a solo analysis similar to how I did for BlockFi, to make an individual video dedicated, like a short individual video, just educating you guys a little more on this card on crypto.com. So maybe I will do that, keep an eye out. But for now, you guys, you do get a $25 bonus if you guys sign up for one of these bad boys through my link down below. You get $25, I get $25. It's a win-win situation. And again, you guys, I'm just so fortunate and so blessed to be partnered with a company that's doing such cool things in the space. Crypto.com. Again, you guys, they have the domain. They have a very they're one of the OGs of the space, and they have a great exchange. Their crypto exchange is great. It's amazing how it's all native within the platform. And yeah, you can literally use crypto. I've been using crypto to buy things at Target, buy food, go out when I eat, fill up gas. Anywhere that takes a Visa, you can use this card, which is just it's so crazy. And this is truly one of the companies, like I say, generational companies. This is seriously one of the companies that's pushing this space forward and is really making a difference. And the biggest issue with so many people who don't understand crypto as an investment is, oh, can I buy things with crypto? Can I use crypto? And now you can with crypto.com. So metal Visa card with up to 8% back on spending. So that's obviously the black card, the infamous black card, gets you up to 8%. I believe this one gets you 5%. I should obviously know that. But again, you guys, it's not so much the cash back, in all honesty, in my opinion. It's just the fact that I can use my crypto to go grocery shop, fill up gas, everything I just said. It's insane. Buy a nice meal, buy some meal for your friends and family, because we've been eating good lately. And yeah, it's insane. So the link is down in the description, crypto.com. Just sign up for a card, or just reserve a card. Honestly, I believe that's where you get the 25 crypto bonus. So you do obviously have to have a crypto.com account. They have a great app. Again, their user interface is amazing. This is their app right here. Love the app. Use the app. I literally look at the app every day. And yeah, you get $25 of crypto.com token, CRO, when you use the link below. And I greatly appreciate it if you guys do. So thank you guys for showing love to the sponsors. New member of the Waves fam over at crypto.com. The people I work with, her name's, I don't know if I should consider it. Her name's Bonbon. But thank you to everyone I've been working with over there. They're such cool people, with such a good mission. And again, they're really making a difference in this world. Okay, so I appreciate you guys for watching, and please let me know down in the comment section what your favorite play of those that we talked about today is. Is it a crypto? What crypto are you most excited about today? Are you excited about any of these plays? Is there a crypto stock play that you want to let me know about that I haven't talked about that you think has a lot of potential? Please let me know down below. Educate the rest of the Waves fam, and as always, be kind to each other down there. So I will see you all downstairs in the comment section. Until next time, you guys, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace.